The 6 weeks that was...
While they're away, our South Australian farmers made a big decision.
Are you ready for a 2-room week?
We're actually 3 rooms this week. 2 bedrooms and a bathroom.
It was a big risk, we just got to go for it.
There must be tons of work.
It's chaotic in here today, obviously. We've got a lot of trades on site. Tyler's just rocked.
A 3-room week, what don't you need?
Found myself on the side of the road with a flat tyre. I was like, oh.
And did Keith help?
It's about being fair and every team starting at the same time.
He's just being a bully this week.
I guess that's a no. What about Shelley?
Shelley didn't look excited when we told her 3 bedrooms happening upstairs and a study. Oh, OK.
But will the judges agree?
I hope the judges can see that we've gone to the effort for the layout.
Just keeps getting better and better, doesn't it?
Oh, my God, it's so cute.
OK, so this is clearly where you put your kids.
What an amazing artwork from Graphico on the wall.
I think I've got the best vantage point in the whole room because I'm staring down the barrel of that amazing wallpaper. It's like clearly for a teenage boy.
I reckon an 8-year-old it could even be. Like, I'm looking at this laboratory set and the
Bingo.
books and...
Yeah, but all you have to do is clear those shelves, and I think you've got a very adult room as well. It's pretty sophisticated.
And the proportions are just right for a bedroom, and you've delivered another one today as well.
And I can just imagine a family walking around this house with the teenage kids and the teenage kids saying, Mum, Dad, I want that house.
But the judges were surprised to find some paint and filler missing around the door and skirts.
Yeah, we've got a bit of
And
sanding and some more painting.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of grubbiness around here. All we've seen is perfection in finishes from Daniel and Jade thus far.
Very unlike you, Daniel, considering your execution has been 100% until now.
They really bit off a lot and they probably had to chew like hell.
Darren and Neil loved your boys' room, and safe to say, once they crossed the threshold, they loved your girls' room just as much.
Oh, wow.
That would have to be one of the most beautifully styled beds I have ever seen.
That's a big call.
It is a big call, but I absolutely mean it. It's stunning.
Happy Mother's Day, babe.
Darren agreed. The colour palette is extraordinary.
It feels feminine but not girly. It feels sophisticated.
I've got to say the styling in both of these bedrooms makes it. I absolutely love it.
I swear, when I leave this bedroom in a few minutes' time, that cushion's going to be under my arm.
Another almost perfect room, except once again the door frame and skirts could have used some more paint.
And also, this is unfinished.
2 small details to attend to, but these 2 bedrooms are on another level. And to think you've delivered up a bathroom as well is simply astonishing, they said.
This is so big.
Walking into your bathroom, and Neil loved the handmade subway wall tile.
And especially when it's matte, like that.
And it's like undulated and looks handmade, and that little soft grey grout in it really highlights it too, rather than just doing a white.
Darren, however, was very quiet.
Bom, bom, bom.
What are you not liking?
Pretty much all of it. When you pair that with this tile, it's 2 different feelings for me. The concrete and the marble and this, these 3 choices fight against each other.
And then he turned his attention to the detailing.
There's something missing from the towel rail. We are clearly having issues above all the tiles. through here. So there's a big gap. So we've got lighting down there that highlights that there's a drain that doesn't actually fit into the hole that it's supposed to fit into.
Darren clearly had a long list of things he didn't like.
The bathroom feels like everything is at odds to each other.
But overall, the amenity you have added to the house is really valuable. Getting this much real estate out of this level is potentially game-changing.
It's like Daniel and Jade have delivered a 3-course meal. You know, the entree was great, the main was spectacular, the dessert not quite so good.
In summary, Darren believes that while the bathroom itself won't help you sell your house, this whole floor most definitely will.
And I commend them for taking on as much work as they took on.
He really hopes that you will take it in the right way.
Absolutely.
That's it.
Thank you.
Just pretty disappointed with myself for not getting it done, but just literally time got us 3 rooms.
We are on the right track and we're going to be okay.